Yeah, if whenever you're planning to visit Delhi, then you should go to Sarojini Nagar market.
Okay, thank you.
Sarojini, and you have to bargain a lot. So even if they're telling you it is for 800 rupees, you say 200 and purchase it for 200. Don't spend more than 200 rupees or more than 300 rupees on one outfit in Sarojini. It's
Okay,
not worth more than 300.
okay,
I'll
that's
ask
fine.
questions and then you can answer, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Okay. So question for today is, can money buy happiness? Can be either in favor or in opposition. So it can be a debate
Yeah,
sort.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
So you can
yes.
pick one side, I'll pick the other. You can choose whichever side you want to go for.
Okay,
Which one will you choose?
yes,
Money can buy happiness.
yes.
Okay. So you can start.
Because in the today's era, money is the most important instead of human being. Okay, wherever we can go, each and everything, maybe a clothes, food, maybe something, insurance, or maybe related to human beings, or related to pleasure life. So money is
Yes.
most important. So we buy happiness, because if I want to uh, buy a car, so I need money, because once I uh, purchase any car, it means I buy happiness. Okay, I know it's not a long term happiness for me, but it's short term happiness, and most of the people do it.
Okay.
They yeah, they only do things only short time happiness. So we are a human beings, and we most of the time we all do it.
Okay. I agree with you partially, not 100%. In my personal opinion, money is very important. Yes. Money can help you purchase a lot of things. Yes. A good house, cars,
Yeah,
education, traveling, food, luxury, everything. But there is no guarantee that if you have these things, you will be happy. We have seen so many famous people, so many people who are millionaires, who have big bungalows, who have luxury cars, bodyguards. Still, they're not happy. They're committing suicide. They're taking drugs, right? Because
yes,
they
yes,
are not happy from within. Happiness is a state of mind. What will you do with $10 billion or 100 of crores rupees if you don't have your family members at the end of the day? If you don't have your loved one with you or your kid, your parents with you, what will you do with that money? Nothing. You will feel that emptiness from within. But even if you don't have money, even if you have 100 rupee in your pocket, but you have your partner right next to you who is supporting you, that it's okay, that will make you happy.
yes, yes,
But it does not mean that money is not important. Money definitely is important.
yes.
Both of things go hand in hand.
Yes, money is important, and all of you explain is also know each and every person.
Yes.
Means each and every person know money is not important. Our relationship, our friend, our family, and our uh, love means our friendship, means our love related to relationship, in between relationship is the most important thing for us, because we spread
Yes.
love in the world. It gives return to us. Okay, each and every person
Yes.
know that, but even though even though they work for money. Okay, most of the time they didn't show humanity only for money.
Hmm.
Because
Yes.
in my life I saw most of the time they speak about the humanity. They show lots of love and pleasure in their words, but actual when the condition came to any particular situation, they didn't help to any needy. They
Yes.
only
Because
focus
they're just
on themselves.
pretending.
They pretending to humanity
Yeah.
person. So most of
Everybody's.
the people know all those things, but they focus on only money.
That's true. At the end
Yeah.
of the day, we all are earning money for our loved ones only. If you are working right now, you are earning money so that you can provide your family, that
Yes,
your
yes,
wife, your kids, your parents, they lead a happy and a healthy life. They don't face any problem.
yeah,
Even if, and we have always seen, even if, for example, I'm earning 100 rupees, right? I have a
yeah,
husband and a kid, let's suppose. My husband is not working and my kid is small. I'm earning 100 rupees. I can afford to purchase only two bread. So my
yes,
priority would be that I will give one to my husband, one to my kid. I will stay, like, I will not eat anything. I would rather prefer to be hungry and provide my family, and that will also give me satisfaction and happiness
yes,
rather than
yes,
earning thousands of rupees and eating, coming back home and eating alone. If I'm
yes,
sick, there's
yes,
nobody to take care of me. I can't share my thoughts, my ideas. If I'm upset, if I'm angry, nothing. So there is no point.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Both of these things are very important. There should be a balance between money as well as happiness. Money is
Yes,
important, but being happy is also important. You should not go crazy for money, and you should not be blind that only you need to be happy, that you don't need to work. Both of them are important.
yes.
Okay. Anything else that you want to share
No.
in regard to this topic, money versus happiness?
I want to share only a honest person who work as a labor or who work as a uh, means lower payment
Hmm.
or salary. They people have a
Better life
uh,
as compared to us?
better life or satisfaction in their life.
Yes,
They
yes.
they never focus on money. They focus on their relationship or they focus on their satisfaction. They
I have,
never think about they never think about the future most of the time.
yeah.
They focus on the day to day life only.
Yes, yes, yes. I mean, I would not say it is a very good approach because we should always look towards, growing. But
Yes,
but kind of society we live in, everybody is so crazy for being famous, earning money, being successful. I have also
yes,
seen many a times my house help or anybody who's working at my place. They're so happy taking off, going out for a movie with my wife. I went out for shopping with my wife, and then they're so even if you give them 20 rupees, they will be so happy and so excited.
yes,
But if
yes,
somebody's giving me 20 rupees, I'll just make an ugly face. What is this 20 rupees? What will I do? Give me 2000 at least, right? Because we are all so greedy.
because
And
we know the value of 20 rupees and 2000 rupees, but
yeah,
the people have a more value of 20 rupees because they did a job for 20 rupees or 50 rupees for a whole day.
yeah. Sometimes even I think that sometimes I have this, I want to be a multimillionaire, very famous, very successful, famous throughout world, so and so. And sometimes I just know, look at these people, they're so happy. Even if they're earning 10,000 a month or 15,000 a month, they're so happy. They're enjoying with their family. They're taking off also. They're celebrating the festivals also. A few days back, one of my house help delivered a baby, and it was a baby girl something. So they had a celebration. So she got a box full of sweets for us, and she
Okay.
was wearing a new outfit. So she was showing it to me that Didi, look, I'm wearing my new suit, and I'm going to meet the baby. It's a baby girl. Have these sweets and all. I mean, even if they are like earning just 10,000, 8,000 a month, still they have such a big heart that they are able
Oh,
to 100, 300 rupees on a box of sweets just to give us.
wow,
Yeah, so
great.
I mean, if somebody says this to us, no, that you have to give to your house head 500 rupees, then we'll think two times: should we give? Should we not give? Let's not give. Let's do something else. We all do it many a times. That
Yes,
house
yes,
help, it's only house help, no? So we'll give something cheaper. Why spend 500 rupees?
yes.
You all have those. Even I mean, I would not deny. Even I have those thoughts many a times that I have to give it to the plumber only. No, why should I spend 1,000 rupees on that? I'll give 100 rupees. But they have
Mm,
such a big heart that they're always giving us. So that's
yes.
really very good. So when it happened, when she gave me a box full of sweets, I realized how selfish I am.
Ma'am, you bargaining anything means when you go in a market for purchasing vegetables or clothes, do you
When I'm
bargain?
purchasing the vegetables, I don't bargain. I just ask once. For the vegetables I'm talking about, like vegetables and fruits, I ask once. If he's saying, ma'am, you have to give 120 rupees. So I'll ask him, how much do I have to give? So then he's like, okay. If he says 120 only, ma'am, no negotiation. I'll give 120. If he says,
Okay,
okay, you give 100. On his own, the shopkeeper says, you give 100, you give 110. I will give that price. I will not bargain again. I just
yes,
ask him the second time, you have quoted me 120, but you tell me how much should I give? So that he can, negotiate on his own that you can give me minus 10, like 110. But if I'm going to a flea market, in Delhi, we have a lot of flea markets. There, they purchase clothes in terms of kg. So they'll purchase 1 kg clothes for 100 rupees. Now in 1 kg,
wow,
they have 30, 40 clothes. Then
what
I
type?
am bargaining. It's like free of cost. For example, I'll tell you what happens. For example, if I have clothes that don't fit me anymore, so I will give it to my house help, my maid. That it's not fitting me, you take it. Now, what these labor people do is they will sell it somewhere else or they will give it to somebody else. Now, we have
Oh,
flea markets where they have used clothes or old clothes. So sometimes, you
okay,
can find very good variety of clothes also. Many times I have new outfits which don't fit me, which are tight. So I'm giving. So in these markets, you can find new clothes also. So because I know that they have got those clothes for free, but they are selling it for 500, 600, then I am negotiating because I know that they are earning a profit. Even if they're selling it for 10 rupees, they're earning 10 rupees.
Yes, yes.
So that
Is
is
it-
bargaining.
What type of clothes they sell in a kg? Means all types of clothes or any
Yeah, everything. Like for example,
everything?
yeah, for men, kids, women, everything. In terms of kg, they purchase. In 1 kg, if there are 10 trousers, in 1 kg,
Oh,
so they will purchase, okay, 1 kg of trousers for 100 rupees. Now, if there are 10 trousers, they will sell at least one trouser for 300-400. So
all are
4,000, all are in
all
good condition.
wow.
All are in
Wow.
good condition. It's just that you need to wash them.
Okay, okay. It is. What is the name
Many
of
a
the
time,
market in that?
Sarojini Nagar market is there, Janpath market is there, Palika Bazaar is there. Sometimes these vendors, they're stealing also kids from the factories and the outlets. They are stealing the clothes and also they bring it to these markets.
Okay.
So for them, it's free of cost. And then they are selling it. So here you can bargain. You can purchase things for 50 rupees, 100 rupees also.
Wow, wow.
But else, I
It
don't
means
like to
it's a
bargain.
very
I don't.
yes, yes. Yes. Please,
Yeah,
next
you were saying
question.
something.
No,
No, you
no.
were saying something
I say
about the
please next about
next about the
negotiation
market. You were saying something. You said, but
market. I only ask.
stopped.
Yes, yes. I only ask market if in the future if I came there,
So
if I
I
come
can't
there.
hear.
Okay,
Wait. Can you please repeat? I could not understand.
okay, okay. In
Hmm.
future, if I will come there, so it would be better for me if I have a market name. So that's why I'm asking market name.
Yeah, if whenever you are planning to visit Delhi, then you should go to Sarojini Nagar market.
Okay, okay. That's thank you.
Sarojini, and you have to bargain a lot. So even if they're telling you it is for 800 rupees, you say 200 and purchase it for 200. Don't spend more than 200 rupees or more than 300 rupees on one outfit in Sarojini.
Okay,
It's not worth more. Whenever you are planning to visit Delhi, then you should go to Sarojini Nagar market.
okay, okay. That's thank you.
Sarojini, and you have to bargain a lot. So even if they're telling you it is for 800 rupees, you say 200 and purchase it for 200. Don't spend more than 200 rupees or more than 300 rupees on one outfit in Sarojini.
Okay,
It's not worth more than 300.
okay.